previously on Suzuki Cell. With me to 12 o'clock.
It's your boy Suzuki Cell, and we back again, man, with another banger, you feel me? There's nothing like some good old windies, man. Windies up here, they always have trees, heavily wooded area, you know, a lot of shade, and some nice breeze, you know what I'm saying. I'll be watching the videos, you know what I'm saying, of the guys at the track, knee dragging, around the corners, trying to find a nice spot, you know, to set up shot for a little bit. Remember last time I was on this road, oh my gosh, like they waited good until I got behind them to start driving like 20 miles per hour. I couldn't really enjoy the windies like that. Man, that was a nice place back there to take like a photo shoot or something with the bike. UPS truck moving though through the windies. They move. He up there flying. He probably going like 50 right now. I didn't do a moto vlog like this in a while, so I'm gonna start doing these again. You know how sticky it get. Practice my tuning, so when when I'm wheeling, I'm already used to my wrist moving that fast, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't practice it, it's not gonna happen. So every chance I get, you know what I'm saying, I gotta practice tuning. Hey, fellow motorists. No train was coming. Oh yeah, that's a nice little lot right there. Man, the bikes is out though, I can tell you that. Flashback to when I was on the DRZ400 on this road. I think I seen a DRZ. I think that was the first time I seen a DRZ like on the road in person. I think he passed me like right on this corner right here. I'm currently in like a back of this grocery store right now because that was the only shade that I found. So I finally got the frame sliders on there, man. Ended up having to go to the hardware, actually at AutoZone. I put those in there, and they came out great. Like I said, that's the extended versions. They did have some smaller ones, but you know, for stunting, I wanted to make sure that it cleared my brake lever and my foot peg, even though they're breakaways, but still I don't want any damage to happen to those. It looks like the foot peg sticks out probably the same exact length as the frame slider, so that works out perfect. And you probably noticed I did put the case savers on there as well, but it's some adhesive glue with the case savers. Put it on there and let it sit for 24 hours, man. I did change the oil too, so I got that service out the way. She's driving pretty good. I appreciate everybody who's been tuning in, man, and supporting the channel. looking for some upgrades or some protective gear, or you like my helmet or whatever the case may be, I got all of my gear, all of my parts and all of that. Link down in the description, man. You buy from the description, then that helps out the channel, man. I'm gonna go the scenic route. Trolley car. Stay tuned to the next one, man. Let's go.